Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Zinau 51A model fountain pen, and this is a orange color transparent body pen, and here the cap is in full silver and the trim portion also in full silver, which has a trim clip, and that is also in silver. And here the brand's name Zinau, the model name 51A also engraved here in the bottom of the cap. And this is a easy opening, you can just pull this out. And here this is number 5.5 nib, which has a fine tip, and with silver plated nib. And for this nib, you can go to our site and click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use filters and make a query on what you required. As you can swap with the nibs as you like, since we have number 5.5 nib in many brands. So usually pen enthusiasts will swap with Canrit nibs, where we have fine, medium, broad nibs, and again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs. And also flex nibs can be also be swapped in this pen. And here the ink filling system is cartridge converter type. You can use this is a converter, you can also use a cartridge. The system is you have to roll this in anti-clockwise direction, so the piston will move forward. Then you can dip the ink, dip this grip portion in the nib portion, or you can take this out and dip in the ink, and you can move this in the clockwise direction, so the ink will be filled up in this portion, and then you can easily fix this. So this is so simple, and this grip portion is more suitable for any fingers that maybe little fingers can school going children little finger can hold this in so perfectly. And this is also a perfect pen for adults also. And let me give a writing sample of this. For today's writing, I'm going to use our emerald green ink. Yeah, the writing is so smooth like butter. And the another important thing is thing in a fountain pen is the pen maintenance. Please wash the pen regularly, as in a twice a month, at least for a twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the long usage, so it will block the inner passage, ink's inner passage, so on the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing too. And then slowly ink will dry quickly, then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out, and the reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So for that, you can wash this pen with water, or you can soak this pen with in a soap water. And if you're soaking in soap water, allow this for 1 hour, and brush and clean these parts. So, and you can wash this in a running tap water easily. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear, unless otherwise we have to have a good cleaning and maintenance. To clean the pen with water, the ink flow will give some problems. So this is a simple 10 minutes process which gives a long run to your fountain pens. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can contact us in our WhatsApp number, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video.